Once again, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Grace Tutor, where we are dealing with technical drawing. We are working on technical drawing. Currently, I'm working on freehand sketching. So what I'm doing is that I'm solving past questions, past questions on freehand sketching, and I've done some before, and uploading more videos on freehand sketching. Now, this is another question on freehand sketching, and let's look at what the instruction says. The figure below shows 3 views of a block in first angle projection. Using freehand, sketch approximately full size the isometric view of the block, making X the lowest point. Making X the lowest point. This is point X that we are being told to use the lowest point. And if you are watching my video for the first time, you are welcome, as I said. And if you are a technical drawing student, I will advise you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can learn more. And when you subscribe, don't forget to put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Now, let's look at the work that we have to do here. We want to put these 3 views together to produce an isometric object. Now, in the question, we are told that these views are given in first angle projection. So what does that mean? It means that, which I know that you know, that this is the front view. This object here, or this shape here, is the front view. This is the top view or the plan, and this is the side view or the end elevation So take note of all this. Now, so the next thing that I want you to know here is that I've labeled these shapes. And the whole of this shape, as you see here, is labeled A, and the whole of this shape that you see here is labeled B. Though we have other parts there, but I'm going to explain that. But the whole of this shape, the whole of this rectangle that you see here is labeled B, and the whole of this shape that you see here is labeled C. So this is the way I want to do it, and I want you to pay attention. Now I want to draw this object in isometric form, free-handed. So we draw horizontal projection plane, horizontal projection line. Okay, so this is point X here. So I put X here. So we draw a line in this direction, and then we draw a line in this direction. So this line, if you are doing it using instrument, it should be at an angle 30 degrees. And when you are doing it here, you have to take the measurement of the angle with your eyes. So then produce a vertical line. Look at where I'm going to do it. So I'm producing shape A first. So just produce that shape. Look at the way I'm going to do it. So produce that shape as you see it up there. Okay, then take this to this side, then this comes down. And don't forget that this line is parallel to this line, this line is parallel to this line also is parallel to this line. So take note of that. So the line should be approximately parallel to one another. Then I will produce this to this side. Okay, then I want to produce the rectangle B. That's what I want to produce now. So producing this to this side, then draw a vertical line like this. So this line is parallel to this line. Then I will also project this to this side. Then I will join this together with this. Then I will draw a vertical line here. So it is easier to produce it like this first. So join this together with this. Then produce this line from here. And join this together with it. Okay. Now we bring out the shape that you can see. So don't forget, this is A. And in A, okay, so in A here, Okay, in A, we have these hidden details of this circular hole that we have in A. So this is where we have the circular hole. This is where we have the circular hole. So now what I'm going to do here now is to put the hole. So the isometric circle is an ellipse. It's an ellipse, so try as much as possible to produce it as I produce it here. So we are done with that. So we have produced the isometric circle, which we call G in the diagram. Then the next thing that we want to do here is that we want to produce this shape that we have in the plan. And this shape that we have in the plan is what give us this, when we are looking at it in this direction. So it gives us this shape that we have in the side view. So look at the shape in the plan. Look at the shape in the plan like this, shape D in the plan and shape E in the plan. They are similar. Then we have this shape also in the plan. So around this particular part of the block. So just take a measure, a little distance from here to here, and then from here to here take a distance to this place. Then also take a distance from here to here. So this distance from here to here and from here to here is representing this distance from here to here and this distance from here to here. Then this distance from here to here is representing this distance from here to here, and also distance from here to here to this point. So join these together. Okay, so join this together like this, and then you join this together like this. I'm still need to reduce this a bit. Okay, so join this together. You can see that the shape is coming out little by little. Then the next thing that we are going to do here is that if you look at this line here is above this line. So this line that we have here in the side view is this line. Now this line here, so where do we have it? I have to come down from this point, draw a vertical line down here, and then here also I have to draw a vertical line down here like this. Then I will draw a line in this direction. So joining these together. Okay, so I can claim this line like this. So this point, so here I'm going to produce a vertical line. We have to produce a vertical line. Then we are going to join this together with this. Okay, that's not long enough. So I have to produce this, and I will join this together with this. So the shape has come out. Then I will have a short line here. So looking at what we have here, so this is the diagram that we are asked to produce. This is the diagram that we are asked to produce. Now, in the front elevation, when we are looking at the object in this direction, the circular hole that we have here will be hidden in the front elevation, and that's why we have it drawn with short dashes line here. So the circular hole is hidden in the front elevation, and also this point, this line that we have here, by the time I'm looking at this direction, that is what we have here. It is also hidden in the front elevation. We have it hidden in the front elevation. So that's why we have this drawn with short dashes line. So it is hidden in the front elevation. So this is the shape. I have to remove this one. This is not supposed to be there. So this is the shape that we got. And again, in the end elevation, when I'm looking at this in this direction, the circular hole is hidden from me. When I'm looking at it in the side view, it is this circular hole is hidden from me. And then if you look at this part, you see that we have this rectangle. So where is this rectangle that we have here? Where is this rectangle that we have here? Where is this shape that we have here? So what happens is that if you look at that, take this backward like this to this point, and I project this down, then join this with it. You can see that here we have what we have. The two shapes have come out. The two shapes have come out. So that is what gives us the shape that we have there. So all you need to do is to practice. This thing is simple. Freehand sketching is simple. Even technical drawing is simple. But for you to see it as simple as it is, you need to practice. You need to practice with different questions. And if you can do that, you will definitely get it and see it as simple as I see it too. I believe that you are also going to be better than I do. So all you need to do is to practice. And as I said, that if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel and you are a technical drawing student, I will advise you subscribe and put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And tell your friends who are also technical drawing students, don't be doing it alone. Don't be watching it alone. Let them also come and watch as you are watching it here, so that you will all have the knowledge. Pray that God will help you. God will give you wisdom, knowledge, understanding, and it will help you to get it and to know it better. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And may the Lord bless you. Amen.